Hi everybody! Hey guys, what's up? It's Anushka. Welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking on today's video. So today we're doing something a little bit different from what I normally do. So I'm gonna be baking with you guys basically. So we're gonna make a baby smash cake, which I will explain what that is later if you don't already know. But we're gonna make a cake, we're gonna do some cupcakes, we're gonna chill. There's fall things in the back, very cute. I'm in pajama pants and fuzzy socks, so I'm ready to go. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I post a video. And without further ado, also follow me on my social media at anushkascakes. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so we're gonna get started. So like I said, we're making a baby smash cake today. So basically what that is it's a cake for a 1-year-old who can do whatever they want with it. So they can like literally dig their hands into it, they can throw it on the floor, whatever they want. So don't know how I feel about that. I'm kind of stressing, you know, because it's going to be smashed. So anywho, but the theme is baseball. So basically I'm gonna do like a little baseball cake and then some little cupcakes. I'm gonna show you guys some of the tips that I have just in general when I make cakes, and you get to see a little bit of behind the scenes of me actually doing it. So here I have some 4-inch cake layers. Look how cute they are. Adorable. And so I'm just gonna like start making the cake. So first I'm going to do a crumb coat, but basically I just filled my cake. That was really fast because again, it's a 4-inch. It's like as tall as me, so I'm short, by the way. That's what I was going for. Yeah, so I'm going to just fill this really quick and stack it. I already said that. I'm so sorry. I don't know what I'm doing. And I'm not worrying about the cake board getting dirty just because I'm gonna transfer it to another cake board at the end. Oh my god, there's hair in my face. But yeah, so I'm just gonna keep doing this and just finish up the crumb coat. And then I'm just gonna stick it into the freezer for about maybe like half an hour-ish. But in the meantime, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do with the cupcakes. Okay guys, so we're back. Cake is in the freezer. I like mixed up a bunch of colors and everything. I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to decorate the cupcakes. I just want to take a moment and thank all of you who are just like sitting on your couch. Maybe you're sitting on a chair. Maybe you're standing if you're athletic. But thanks for watching this video because it means the world to me. Okay, so we're just going to get started. And I have my cupcakes. We're just gonna get started. So okay, so basically I already iced some of them and I have them over there. I'll show you guys later. So I'm just gonna show you basically how I'm doing like a baseball theme, and you don't even have to like use these techniques to do a baseball theme. Like you can you can just use them for whatever, but basically using a large round tip here. And so all that I'm doing, I can literally do it in front of you guys like this because it's so easy. All that you do is just kind of like take the round tip and then just kind of sloop and make a little blob and then just kind of like spread it out like that. So easy, but that's basically your baseball. Before we put the lines on it, of course. So I'm just gonna do that for another cupcake. And then I'm gonna show you guys the second technique, which is like kind of like the grass technique. And then I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna pipe the little baseball lines on the baseballs. So the grass technique, so simple, literally so easy. I'll try to like zoom in here if I can, but basically all you do is just kind of like take some green icing. You can use a grass tip or you can just use a little small star tip and just kind of go whoop. I love doing this technique of grass. Of course, I love using grass tips also, but this technique is just really cute when you just want to like have a more stable cupcake, and bam, grass. So I'm gonna put a baseball bat and then a ball on top of these ones, on top of the grass ones. But yeah, so I'm just gonna repeat this for one more cupcake and then I'll be back to show you guys what I'm gonna do next. Okay guys, so now that we've done that, now it comes time to actually draw the little baseball lines on the baseball. So here's like my little baseball, like the little white part. So all I'm gonna do is just draw some lines on it, and I'm gonna change angles here so you can see what I'm doing. But basically I'm just gonna take my piping tip and then just kind of make two lines down the sides and on two opposite sides of the cupcake, and then I'm just gonna make some like little arrows poking like up and down. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do on all the cupcakes, and then I'll be back and we can finish them off. Hello folks. Okay, so here we have it. Here's our cake. So excited about it. It's looking a little bit rough right now, but trust me, it's gonna look so much better when we like do the final coat. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I have my buttercream here, and what I'm gonna do is just take a big old spoon of it and plop it on top. And don't worry about the cake board. Again, we're transferring it to another one. So yeah, we can be as messy as we want. So basically, I'm just gonna do the final coat. And if I had a tip, I'm actually thinking of doing like a tips video on final coats and like getting your cake smooth and stuff. But if I did have like a tip, I would say just put way more than you think you're gonna need on, because a lot of that is gonna end up being scraped off. So just put a lot on there. And yeah, so I'm gonna like finish this, and then I'm gonna give you guys some tips on how to get those really nice smooth sides. Is it just me, or is anybody else getting those like zebra vibes from like Madagascar, like, you know, like Marty or whatever? I don't really know what his name is, but I feel like he's my spirit animal, and that's what I'm trying to like reflect. Yeah, just like maybe like put in the comments like a zebra emoji or something if you're like feeling those vibes. And wait, I thought I was done. I'm kidding. I have to finish this now, and then yeah. Okay guys, so it's been a while, but I smoothed out my cake, and if you want to see exactly how I do it, then go watch the video that I'm going to post on Thursday, which is just about cake smoothing. So I'm kind of stressed, guys, because I have somebody coming to pick up this cake in a little bit, and I'm not even done yet. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer this to another cake board, which is going to be kind of frantic, but like my life is frantic, so it's fine. But I'm going to go transfer this real quick, and then we will be back to actually ice the cake. Okay, so I have my grease-proof cake board here, and I have this cake. I'm just going to take my palette knife and loosen up the edges a little bit. I'm kind of nervous, guys. I don't really know what's going to happen here. Okay, then just lift this cake like that, plop it down. But bam, that's how you do it, guys. That's how you successfully transfer a cake. And this cake board, obviously we can see it's looking extremely rough. I'm just gonna throw that out. And normally I don't do this, but I do not have a different size cake board, so then I have to transfer it. It was a whole issue. So, but yeah, I'm gonna do a border at the bottom, so I'm not even gonna worry about covering that up. But as you can see, my voice is speeding up because I'm getting very frantic and chaotic. So anyway, I'm just going to show you guys how I'm gonna ice this cake. So let's get into decorating, my favorite part. Hi guys, I'm back, and last time you guys saw me, I was like smoothing the cake, but now we are going to actually ice it. So basically, I'm gonna do two little lines like a baseball. And yeah, so I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm gonna do like a little one on top. So yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick, and then I'll be back, and then we'll hashtag do the one, and then we'll write his name, and it's for a little baby, and that's adorable. So we're gonna do that, so let's go. Guys, I kind of messed up a little bit. As you can see, what happened here, I don't even know. But now I have to make those little like thingies that you put on a baseball, you know, like those little pokey things. So I'm just gonna do that. Probably not that interesting, so I'll probably just time lapse through it. But yeah. Okay guys, so I'm back. So this video has now become a test to see if I can finish this cake on time, because I literally do not have time, but I'm not done yet. So I wrote on it, as you can see, I added a little grass border. Cute, looking very cute. But stress dancing because I am so nervous and I don't know like what really is happening at the moment. This basically happens with every single cake. I just kind of like forget what I'm doing, and then there's like a really stressful time, and then there's like, oh my god, I don't have enough time. But you know, it's still fun. I still love cake decorating, so it's fine. I'm looking for a toothpick at the moment, which is why I'm like, kind of like crazy. Found it. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do is, this is the front of the cake, right? So on the front, I'm going to just draw a 1 with like piping tips. So I'm gonna show you guys like an angle where you can like see what I'm doing, but I'm just basically gonna like draw a little 1 with piping tips. So yeah, let's go ahead and do it, and once we do that, we're gonna be done. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed like this very chaotic video. We're not done yet, but we're almost done. And feel free to like have dance party. Like, you know what? This is what I want you to do right now. I want you to sit there wherever you're sitting, or again, if you're standing because you're athletic, just like have a little dance party, you know, just like enjoy life, because we are almost done and it's actually like not looking bad. Like, so it's like, you know, just like let go, okay? Okay, let's do it.
Fade away, all my friends they fade away. Don't worry, fade away. Don't worry, fade away. Nothing for the same, nothing for the same. All up in my head, that's how I behave. Passing up the same, waking up.
Holy cow, guys, we have come a long way from the beginning, but this is the finished cake. So you guys basically got to see what it's like behind the scenes of me making a cake. It's very chaotic, and there are countless dance parties. You thought it was over, but it wasn't. Okay, so yeah, so that's basically it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys thought it was entertaining. Hope you guys like my little fall background here. I really tried. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on my social media. And let me know if you guys want to see more cake decorating videos like this, where you can see my true personality. Actually, wait, I just gave you a reason not to want to watch my videos. Sorry. Okay, just drop in the comments, you know, just let me know what's up. And I hope you guys like this little baby smash cake. This is going to be smashed eventually. But you know what? It's okay, because I had such a great time making it with you guys. And yeah, so don't forget to put on your pajama pants. Don't forget to stay positive. Enjoy fall. Enjoy autumn. And have a great week. And yeah, I'm gonna try the heel click thing one more time before we go. I'm too scared. I'm wearing fuzzy socks and it's just not gonna work. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video, and have a great day, guys. Bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.